We are moving!
And no, happy news, we're not moving because we got a mansion. We did not win the lottery and $1 million. We're not, yeah, we haven't bought a mansion, but we are moving
Next door.
bedrooms. So we're gonna do a bedroom switch.
Since we built the tower, we actually figured out that first of all the tower is really nice and warm. And then we
nice
put the
and bright.
desks in there,
Exactly.
so we need to work. And while the guests are over, it would be a bit silly to be in the morning, just like open up the door and walk into your little office space while people are sleeping and be like, okay, don't mind me. And
especially in summer, that we wake up a bit earlier than them, and then we do some work on the computers. So now that we also have the two next to each other, we feel really professional and proper, like going to the office. So I think that would be really awkward, just like opening the door, going in while they're there, and we just go work. We don't have a door even there. We have it all open plan, as you have seen. So the time has come that after nearly 5 years
in this bedroom,
we are moving.
Which is gonna give us a lot of opportunity to upgrade, because we also now have a desk in a corner. That was kind of taking up quite a lot of space, and yeah, it's gonna be really cool. That is a superior bedroom, so why should we stay in a less superior bedroom in our own home that we spend, you know, 100% of the time, and give it to the guests? So
I don't even know why why did we even? There's also a little hint thing why we're moving to that bedroom, which we're gonna come once we give you a tour of this bedroom, that bedroom, like a very quick one. I don't know, I was thinking yesterday, why did we move in here?
It had the 2 plastic windows, and we thought that's easier to repair than putting in a new windows. Don't know, we just came to that decision.
I don't know, we just decided.
It was both of them were exactly the same, except this one had plastic windows.
No, I think we also had this one, which we wanted to operate.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, so let's, I won't say stop talking, but we're gonna give you a quick tour of this room and the other room, what we like here, what we like there, what we're gonna miss, and what we really are gonna enjoy in the other room. So let's get started with a quick little tour, I guess. So this is our bedroom. As you see, it's not really big tour, it's not like a gigantic bedroom. We have our bed. Here we had our desk and working area and computer station. Then we have an open closet over here. We have done videos of every single tiny little thing. I don't know if they're gonna be, maybe there's gonna be a playlist link down below in case you're interested on watching, rewatching. So yeah, we have videos of everything we have done. And yeah, I am not enjoying the open closet, so I'm looking forward to a closed up closet. And then behind David, if we move further, here we have radiator, Kata's bed, and the rest of the closet, I guess. And the last thing, the reason why we probably moved in here first was the stove. So that was our main heating that we had for quite a while. Well, not really so long, but for the most of the winter of the first year. So that's why the reason why I moved in here. Otherwise, if it would be in the other bedroom, we wouldn't be able to operate that, so we'll have to come in here to work.
It's a great stove, but something has collapsed inside, and one side fully doesn't work anymore.
And it smokes a lot on the other side.
Yeah, sometimes smokes. So it probably needs to be opened up. It's a pot chimney. It's not actually clayed together. It's kind of with like strings, with metal strings hold together. It's really weird design, but it's really efficient stove.
It's really nice. Like this side gets so nice and
you
hot.
burn just one amount for fully all hot. All
24
the
hours,
hot. Yeah, till the next morning,
But it does smoke something, and something is not correct.
It needs to be repaired, so...
We'll see. We're not destroying it, we're keeping it.
No,
but
definitely.
We're just not working on it now. We don't necessarily need it. It would be way too hot. And yeah, so in theory, what we would do now, if there was not something in the other room that we like, except of the desk, of course, our office area, we would put here full closet, and then those 2 walls would clear up from the clothes. But let's now go to the other room and talk the second reason why we really like the other room. So here we are in the guest room. They are identical rooms. They are the same size, I think maybe by a few centimeters. So as we already said, we have our office area here. And the second part that we really enjoy about this room, that you can't really see or feel or understand, is the heating wall. If you've seen one of our past videos, David figured out how to make this heated wall work. And it is working amazingly. It is not too hot, but warm enough, and it works as a big radiator. which comes also with a minus because we did want to put a closet here from top to bottom. But yeah, we can't do that unless, of course, we want to use a heated wall. That provides a lot of heat for this room. This room used to be the coldest room because also we had the door here, like the kind of like mess around, and it was open to the outside. So now that we heated up and made the extension, and it's beautifully hot, it's like the hottest room in this whole house. And then this one is now also the hottest room, so might as well enjoy it. But the rest of the room, what we want to do, because we cannot do the closet over there, we are going to be moving also this desk and the closet, of course, and we're going to be putting here a dresser for clothes and hopefully also here for hanging clothes. Anyways, the plan is that hopefully in a year or two, depends on the finances, we're going to be able to move upstairs. So we're gonna be fully upstairs, all our clothes, everything will be there, so I don't have to worry for tight spaces. And yeah, those rooms will be guest kids rooms. So yeah, that's kind of it. The rest of the room is kind of the same. It's exactly the same. The only thing is the furniture that we want to move, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. And fun fact, actually, we're filming these videos together with the videos you already have seen because my mom is coming in 3 days and we want to surprise her. I hope that she will enjoy that surprise because we're kind of like taking away now the nice room, but we honestly live here our whole, you know, time of the year, so might as well enjoy the nicest room. And now anyways, as we said with the desk, it would be awkward having guests over. And yeah, exciting. I am quite like, I don't like changes, so it's kind of like emotionally sad because we did spend nearly 5 years in that room and now we're gonna be changing, but it's not like we're changing house, and I don't even know how I'm gonna react if we would ever buy something bigger and fully move out of here. So don't know, but let's leave that aside and move the furniture. We're gonna get started with a closet, empty that and bring it over, and then we're also gonna move the table away, which I thought actually is coming here but it's not, so then we're also gonna move that. So there's a few moving things that we're gonna do in this video, and then we're gonna get on with renovating this room. Okay, let's now move in.
Okay. Should I leave the camera as it is and we just try to drag it out?
Sure thing.
See?
And just like a reality moment, I did have a bit of a meltdown. What are we doing again 3 days before my mom comes? And I don't want to be rushing things, and I don't have space. Like, my biggest struggle right now is storage.
I'm rushing it a tiny bit, like probably pushing it into you.
Yeah, I know. But
it has to move. Watch your fingers, please. These wheels are deadly. It's somehow
do we
going.
want to tilt it?
Does it fit?
Uh,
Oh yeah, it fits, of course.
that thing is not light thing.
Let me go to the heavy part, you go to the push part.
Push part. Push part with a broken wheel.
How are we gonna lift it up like 50, 60 centimeters?
I don't know.
Not here, I'm taking it off.
Oh.
Nah, no problem.
Okay, you, David, you ate your foodie.
No, I don't need. I've eaten my broccoli,
Yeah.
you're supposed to say.
You ate your spinach.
Spinach, yeah.
Opa, whoa!
Don't scratch my red paint.
I don't think there's any red paint.
No,
Unless you mean the green one.
Great, we're driving into
It's okay, you can scrape that a bit.
No, I don't want to scrape my bottom. My bedroom. You gotta lift it a bit.
I am lifting it. Oh, fingers.
A bit more.
It needs to go up now.
Okay.
At least Friday the 13th is the 13th wheel! That is not having a day today.
Okay,
though.
lift.
I don't want to lift it because... Struggling. Not having a good...
Where's the angle?
What?
Angle of the camera.
Oh,
No?
gotta make sure.
I need work socks that have rubber on the bottom, like grip. Currently, I got sliding.
Stop. Oh, was I helping?
Probably.
The
Yeah,
problem
I
is
think
it's tilting that way, you
I think
know?
you're doing more to work because I can't pull much, I'm just sliding into it. Get up straight away so you can pack it straight away.
One sec. You see, it's kind of leaning because of the... Up, up.
No, I need to lift it a lot higher.
Push. Just be careful of your feet, please, at any times. Who are we? Oh, that
We
bad.
didn't empty the space.
Not that bad.
On the bus?
Something in. And we actually wait, don't move that.
Wow, it's completely sideways cut. I guess
Can we bring it there? Can we bring it all the way there?
Why? Why?
Because we need to bring the desk back. This thing needs to go where the desk goes, no?
Oh, I
Or
thought
does it
where
go-
the Mauritius is.
Where the heated wall?
I thought so, yeah.
So we realized that we need to bring this one to the other room
Well, I knew it. We just
temporarily.
were supposed to do it before.
No, temporarily we have to bring this one because we need to put all our clothes.
I think I need to get a tool and start, like, dismantle this.
I think
baby.
this one is come off. That we don't need
That's
anyways.
for sure. Just to come off. Your fingers?
I wanted to take it. Why are you being so...
Oh, I wanted to just.
I wanted to
towards
take
you.
it
I
with...
forgot there's no phone. I legit thought you're holding it.
Ooh, that
so
got all numb. We don't need to rush so much.
Did you really got hurt?
Yeah, it's all numb.
Ambulance?
No, not ample. Jesus.
Broken fingers are very bad.
No, it's the top skin.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Where does this go as a shelf?
I don't know. But we do work the best under pressure, don't we?
That's the whole point.
But let's slow down a bit. This thing, the thing needs to go sideways out. I don't think it fits through, does it? Yeah, wait. We need help. What do you mean you got it? It's okay. You don't need to be a hero. Baby. Keita! Oh, watch out.
Wait, you need to go.
Wait.
That's the first thing.
First things first.
Yeah. There.
Ow, my pinky. It's a heavy thing.
Can you lift it?
I am lifting it. Wait.
And towards the cooker. Towards the cooker. Towards the cooker. No, didn't need actually.
Pressure. Under pressure. We're moving. That wheel has seen better days. Can you come maybe here? Because that's more difficult. Because I need to lift it up and push. You know what I mean?
How far do you want to go in?
Put it against it for now. And now we reveal this ugliness. Ugh.
Which ugliness?
This chimney. Iggy.
Oh, I thought the white thingy. That's even
That also bad.
That's way worse.
That's our attempt to try to figure out how this heating wall works by realizing that it has nothing to do with that side. But we solved it and it's nice and hot. Touch it. Ooh, that is nice and
Did you
hot.
let the camera touch it or?
Yeah.
To show
Sadly,
them-
you can't touch it.
Show them the heat.
Beautiful. Beautifully emptied bed becomes again full just before my mom comes.
That's what it has to be.
Why do we always do like really rushed things last minute? But as I said, we work best under pressure.
You
Stress.
and me.
You and me, what? Oh, yeah, I bought
Geography
that
of
for
you
like
and
50
me.
cents in the thrift store.
Between the lives.
I don't know, like, I don't know, like 50-cent books, so I just got them.
Ticket to love.
It's
You
just-
looking for love?
Yeah,
Leon and Louise. Roman.
that's German. Are we gonna go through all the books?
That's original. Roman. Bestseller.
Okay, I'll help.
Hey, one book is called Gary.
Is there hidden money here? Ooh,
Whoa.
that's
Is it
old.
Greek?
That is old. Oh yeah, my mom brought it. That's like really old.
63.
Might
Oh no,
be
that's a street.
Might be hidden money.
I think there is money in there.
Something fun.
This is glued on.
Okay, well, we're not opening
This has
it.
not been opened in years.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, I'm not touching the painting. There's definitely something here.
Okay, make sure to subscribe. Oh, Bear Bears! Bear Bear! Can you not? Can you not?
It's a bit broken. I want to see
Can
just
you
behind.
not? Did
It
it?
starts a bit after.
Did it?
There's definitely something in there.
Yeah. Maybe. Oh, maybe this is the ticket for the actual big moving to the mansion.
Oh, I thought it was a ticket from the chocolate factory.
Well, we're losing our mind slowly. Sorry, I don't know whatever that beat is gonna be. It will be something.
I mean, it's a video.
Okay. And with that and that, you did all the cleanup on your own.
Yep.
Okay, well, wait.
Get down by.
Wait. Careful, the camera is right at your butt. Careful, no, don't knock the camera down, don't knock the camera down.
Oh, that was much further.
We don't want to risk it falling. It's our baby, we need to take care of it properly.
From now on.
Can we not scrape it, please?
Higher.
My toe. I can't.
Oh, I found something.
Your butt. Careful the camera! Careful the camera!
Oh, Kate was also here.
By the way, we have been playing a game that is called Moving. That's why we're so
Moving
good
Out.
at moving out. I love that game. We're doing that in real life. I think we could keep. Oh no, we can't.
Put it maybe in that room now. No?
We could keep going. Only thing is, in the game, it's much easier.
We're faster like this.
Oh.
Put it in front.
No, I'll go this way. So we have cleared out this room and the other room, and we cluttered it again. So we have put the closet and the desk kind of really nice and neat on the wall. We did plan on bringing the table again in here, the blue one, our desk. So we can put our winter clothes on it, but then it's like cluttering up again. Here it would not fit, I realized. And there I don't want to cover the heating wall because now that we took the closet away, it's providing a lot of heat. It's actually, I'm really sweating. It's really hot in here. I think it's close to 24 degrees with like not a lot of heating, which is incredible. We love it. Economical. And now, as David said, that we have started a snowball effect. We are rolling and there's no going back. And we have to get that room livable again so we can stay in here when my mom arrives. That's a lot of things. So sorry if
3 days.
So sorry if that video is really hectic. I am in advance sorry because we are rushing so much. I hope that we can do nice content. We're gonna try our best.
The nicest builds will be done slowly after she comes.
Yes, exactly.
The point is to move the main things,
Yeah.
bed, sleep here. Done.
Done. So when she walks in like, no, she walks in her bed and she's like, oh, green headdress. Oh, where's my things? And then she goes in our bedroom, you know? That's how I vision it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because her reaction is gonna be at my channel. So I'm so excited, so stressed, and sorry again if this video is way too hectic. We work best under pressure. So let's end this video, start the next one, and get on with the work. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope we did not kind of clickbait this video, but we are moving. We're just moving rooms. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the next one. Excited.